Alright, so once you make your account, it'll show you account verified, and then there's my email. I gotta verify your phone number, and then it gives you this interact security answer, right? So when you I'll go to my bank. Just one sec. Like, let's say I want to send money to the app, right? So I'll go to my bank and I'll go to e-transfer, and I'll say from this account to, and then I go down here to ShakePay. And then it says right here, funding@shakepay.com. That's the email that they give you in here when you want to get a transfer. So how that happens is you go to dollars in here, add funds, e-transfer, and then boom, you'll have different information, obviously. But see, it says send your e-transfer to funding@shakepay.com, and then use your ShakePay. It automatically just all puts itself there. The only thing you gotta know is this code right here and this email right there. So you get that email and you put it in your online banking, and then you select it. Now I'll say, I want to send $20, and security answer is that code that I get from right here, from inside the app. And then I just go, boom, I send that. Now in a couple of minutes, that's going to go inside of my ShakePay app. Right now, I got $73 in cash, in Canadian dollars, chilling. And then I got $1,565 in Bitcoin right now, in Bitcoin and Ethereum. So now I gotta wait for that $20 is gonna go into this account any minute. And then once I get that, I already got $73. So okay, boom, there it goes right there. 90. See how fast that was, bro? Boom, next $20 in there. So when I want to buy Bitcoin, I just tap this middle blue button at the bottom with the arrow pointing left and the arrow pointing right. I hit that, and I want to say buy and sell instant, the first one, right? And then I'm going to say, now this is like, can be difficult, but I'll help you figure this out. So I'll just say max. You can just hit max, and all the money that you got in Canadian dollars will be used to buy, Bitcoin. And then I can just go, boom, buy Bitcoin, bam, press confirm. You just bought Bitcoin. And that's how much in Bitcoin I just got. So there I am, boom. You know what I'm saying? And then when you want to send it back, you want to sell Bitcoin now. So you'll hit that bottom blue button again, right there, left and right. And then you go buy and sell instant. And now, see where it says the Canadian flag, and then it says from dollars, $0. And then, but there's a little down arrow. Click that down arrow, and this opens up. And now you want to click Bitcoin because you're trying to sell Bitcoin in the Canadian currency now, versus what we just did was we had 93 Canadian dollars that we wanted to buy Bitcoin with. So now we want to click Bitcoin, and that's going to convert Bitcoin into Canadian dollars. So the tricky part about this is you got to know how much you want to move. Like, this is what it is. So I'll do 0.00 20, and that's $69. So I'm like, okay, 0.0020 is $69. So what if I want like $80? I'll do 25 or 22 or 23, you know, all the way up until like 30 or 29. See, now 0.0029 is $100 in 7 cents. It's always, you can't get it exact the way you like $100 exact. There's always like, this is how you got to do it. And like if you had, like if you're putting mad money in, you could do 0.02, and that's $690. 3, 1,000, 4, 1,300. Like you could do that, or you could do 0, 60, 90, and then it shows you how much in Canadian dollars, right? So yeah, that's how you send it back. So I could just do 0.0010 for $34. Sell Bitcoin, confirm. You sold Bitcoin, you got $34 cash now. See now, up where the Canadian flag is, I got $34. Now I just hit send, the blue send button right here to the upper right. And then I hit cash out to my bank. And then I hit max for the whole $34 or however much you want to send. And then I hit confirm. And it automatically sends the e-transfer with the security answer to my email that I set my account up with. So then boom, press confirm. And then I just gotta wait for that e-transfer to pop up in my email. And then I can just accept it, and it goes right into my bank. See, the e-transfer is already there, bro. Or is it? No, wait. Okay, that was when I sent $20. So I gotta wait. But yeah, you get the picture, and then you know, the email, the e-transfer will pop up in here, and then I can accept it, and then it just goes right into my bank, just like any e-transfer. See, boom, just popped up. See how fast that shit is? Boom, e-transfer. And my shit is Scotiabank, so I click Scotia. Brings me right to my app, my bank app on my phone. Open in the app. Now I can get in my bank with my fingerprint because I'm a boss like that, you know what I'm saying? I'm just kidding. But anyways, deposit that back into my bank. The security answer is in the ShakePay app. You open the ShakePay app. Just like any e-transfer, you gotta put a security question and know the answer. So I'll click right here, interact security answer, and then you see 47KV, blah blah. Click that, and then I paste it in there. Now you can see $34. Security answer, ShakePay gives it to you. Deposit into my bank account. Slide to deposit, bam. And there you go. Money's in my bank. Just like that.